Thank you so much. I will talk a story about how we are going to create the largest fish farm in the world. This is Inge Berg. He is the owner of Nordlaks. It's a family-owned company. They produce trout and salmon and have a turnover of 315 million euros per year. In 2015, we had a very bad year in Norway with a lot of sea lice. There were many problems along the coast. We had to change the area for many of the fish farms to fix the problems with the sea lice. We had to spread the location further apart, and as you see in this map, we had many locations in the area. All of them are in enclosed waters. None of them are in exposed waters, and this is because there are no technology today that's available to take the fish farms offshore. The Minister of Fishery said in 2015 that we needed new technology to take the fish farms out to the sea. So they did a development license. Every company could ask for development license for new technology. So Nordlaks asked us. He had an idea, Inge Berg. He had an idea that if we take a large steel construction and take it offshore, we can have offshore fish farming. So he went to NSK ship design. We are a small ship design company, but we had done many special projects with Nordlaks before, and we have done some offshore industry projects also. So we started this task and worked out 3 different types of fish farms. We set a group with specialists and we used offshore rules and standards. These are the 3 different offshore fish farms. You have one in the center, it's a stationary fish farm. The second one is movable, and the third is dynamic. And we asked for a development license of 39 license. So that's approximately 30,000 tons of salmon. The first one was supposed to be in partly sheltered waters, a little bit exposed, in the area close by the fabric and the area. As you can see in this picture, we use offshore technology in the construction. It will hold 6 large pens with 2 million fish, approximately 10 million tons of fish. We use offshore technology in the mooring. This is a turret system that is well known and well proven in the offshore industry. And we use partners from the offshore industry in this project. We also have in this construction a fixed lice skirt. It's going to be 10 meters below sea level. This is to avoid the sea lice to attract the salmon inside. We know that the sea lice likes it best in the sea column that is 10 meters below sea level. For this project, it's also going to be a stationary ROV that's going to do the service and maintenance on this unit. And it will supervise the structure underneath every day and do the cleaning of the fish nets. Then we have the bad weather conditions. This structure is built for a significant wave height of 10 meters. We are using the offshore standards, and in this project we have DNV-GL as a third party that is controlling our calculations and engineering work. We are going to have all operations enclosed in the half farm. We don't need any service vessels. This is a good benefit because you have lesser operations with vessels to the fish farm. And then we can change the technology for delicing afterwards. It's changing. If you see the vessel types that are needed for this construction, it's the live fish carrier, and a fish pellets feeder. Those are only 2 vessels that are needed for this operation with the half arm. The vessels will need to have a DP position system so they can stay away from the construction and transferring the live fish to the half arm. In September 2017, the new Minister of Fishery, Per Sandberg, gave Nordlaks 21 concessions to realize this project. So we are going to realize the first half arm. It's going to be built and delivered in 2020. We are in the final stages with contracts with the yard, and hopefully we will see this in our area in the beginning of 2020. What are the benefits with offshore fish farming? Here you see a map. The red dots are the position at the existing areas. If you take the offshore fish farming, we get a much bigger and larger area that we can have fish farming. So, what's the future? We are going to build the first, the stationary, then we are skipping the second, and we go directly to the third. Both of them are under construction and engineering right now, and that will be the future for our product. Thank you so much.